What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? How everybody doing out there? I guess you guys had a wonderful trading month of June, and we're preparing ourselves and we're using this weekend to enter the month of July in a greater way and to have it lit and good. This is your boy Harlem. I'm back with another video. Today's video going to be a weekly outlook for the coming week. I think of the third up and until the 7th of July, looking for potential direction and potential anticipations, right? Financial disclaimer, everything I say do is entirely based off my own experience and my own opinion. It cannot. The only thing we can manage to do is to just follow price and to just respect the price action. Before I start, make sure you like, subscribe, share, turn on notifications so you can get notified every time I drop and upload new content concerning Forex and entrepreneurship. Without further ado, let's say, as you can look at the structure of the NAS, price is clearly bullish, right? With that being said, when you remember price created this higher high and price came back for this potential higher low. So all I'm looking for, all we can see now to the coming week, we're looking to be bullish above higher high and be bearish at fail to break. So if we can get a clean breakout, then it clearly means price has created a higher high and a higher low. We're looking for a new higher high. But if price fails breaking out, then it clearly means we're failing to break above this high and we are creating some sort of intraday resistance. Let's look to be what? To be bearish, and there will be it on the NAS. So NASDAQ will be what it is. We wouldn't be looking for much. Price breaks out to continue bullish. Price fails to break. We look for those depletion and momentum and look to be bearish, and there will be it, right? Hopping into gold. So when you look at gold, you can clearly see that our structure of gold was clearly bearish. Price was creating lower lows and lower highs, lower lows and potentially lower high if we can get there. But when you remember, price has created this sort of double top, double bottom once, and price created this lower low with bullish momentum that led price into breaking above again off of this intraday double bottom or support. All I can say is we're looking to be bullish above intraday support. Like you can clearly see that prices already reacted off our support. If price pulls back off the support and falls breaking below, then it's look to be to reverse and be bearish. But if we get a breakout, then it's looking for price to violate this previous lows and anticipate a continuation to the downside of price creating lower low, lower low, lower high, potential lower low once we get the break of this lower low. And that will be it, right, people? So looking at German 30. So German 30 is kind of smooth, right? Same as the NAS. You can clearly see that our structure is bullish. Price has already reacted off our previous lows, right? Or that intraday support. All I'm looking for now is to be bullish above major resistance and be bearish at fail to break. Because price has this major resistance that we once it created, and price kind of like broke out, creating this all-time high and impulsively broke back in below. All we're looking for is to break out to be bullish, fail to break, to be bearish, and that will be it. Because you can clearly see that we have already reacted off of our support. We're looking for a breakout to continue bullish, fail to break, we'll be bearish, and that will be it. Right, people? Looking at US30. So US30 is kind of tricky. US30 is kind of tricky, right? US30 is kind of tricky. Let's remember that we had two things on US30, right? One, we had this resistance. Prices still okay. Our trading view is still loading. Never mind that. But when you remember, we had this major sell zone or this resistance, right? And two, we had price breaking out and breaking back below of our major resistance, creating some sort of highs, right? All now we're looking for the coming week now is to continue bullish, is to be bullish above highs because we've already broke above our major resistance, right? Is to be bullish above highs, bearish below. If price breaks out, then we continue bullish. Fail to break, we reverse. Same thing if price drops, continue or moves to the downside. If we get a break below, a fall to break below, we reverse and be bullish above resistance. But if we get a breakout, then we simply continue bullish, and that will be it, right? Looking at USD CAD. USD CAD, I wouldn't say much. I'm simply waiting for confirmation. I don't have a trade idea, but prices, this push phase and this correction. So All I'm looking for from this push and correction is to continue bullish if price breaks above this intraday highs, right? But now you can clearly see that we once had this intraday resistance, and price respected this resistance, creating support with multiple rejections. All I'm waiting for now is to be bullish if price breaks above those highs or continues above. But if we get price breaking below, then we simply look to be bearish, and that will be it. But I don't have a trade idea. I'm just waiting for confirmation into what I have to do for the coming week, right? Looking at Tesla, even on Tesla, we don't have a trade idea. I'm sure they don't have a trade idea because I analyzed and I see nothing. You can clearly see that price has been moving sideways from creating this higher high and this higher low. Price is kind of like moving sideways. So all I'm waiting for now on Tesla is for price to give me a sign of what I have to do from this movement, right? Are we gonna break below right there? Are we gonna break above this high? And then will be it. But I'm just waiting for confirmation into what I have to do. So we move. Bitcoin. Bitcoin is kind of moving sideways. You can clearly see that from price creating this push phase, we're kind of moving sideways. You guys know it from a push phase and a sideways movement, price might potentially continue moving to the upside. But what's the reason of me saying that? If we can get a break above, then we continue to the upside. But at the same time, if price breaks below, then we look for that reversal to the downside because price is kind of like moving sideways. So in my trade ideas to be bullish or bearish at breakout to follow price. Bullish breakout will continue bullish, bear breakout will continue bearish. But if price fails breaking out, then you simply trade support and resistance with a clean 1500 or 1.545% move to the upside or to the downside, depending on how are we going to trade it. Is it support or resistance? But we move because price is moving sideways. Looking at Ethereum. So Ethereum, you guys clearly remember on our previous trade idea and our previous review, we did say prices created some sort of highs, right? And prices kind of like failing to break above this highs. And now prices finally broke above with multiple rejections, anticipating that price might be looking to continue bullish. All I'm looking for now in my trade idea is that long as price trades above the zone, then I'm looking to be bullish. But if you can get this break below, then I look for that reversal and be bearish, and that will be it. With my trade idea saying bullish above intraday highs, bearish below. Breakout be bullish, fall to break be bearish, and that will be it, right? Looking at Litecoin because a nigga live too late. Even on Litecoin, you guys can clearly see that we had highs that price has been creating. Even though we've been breaking above our resistance and breaking below, price has been having highs that it's been creating. With our current market price now, having this impulsive push phase to the upside, all I'm looking for now is to be bullish above highs and be bearish below, because now price is bullish above highs. Long as we don't break below, then I look to continue bullish. But if we break below, then I look for that intraday moves and anticipate a reversal to the downside, right? Last but not least, we're having oil. So oil, there's no trade idea. Why do I say there's no trade idea? We've already reacted off of our support and we're far from our resistance, right? It's just trading in the middle. So with price trading in the middle, there's nothing that I can say or there's nothing that I can share. But hopping into the hourly, because that's where most of my movements happen, or those intraday movements, you can clearly see that price has been creating this intraday resistance, right? And now price having this impulsive candlesticks breaking out with price trading above. All I'm looking for now, because prices broke out of our resistance, it's that long as price is still trading above resistance, then I'd look to be bullish. But if we break below, then I'll be bearish. But when you guys know it from how we trade oil, or how we look to anticipate oil, we just simply look forward for break above or fall to break below or fall to break, and that's it. Now price is trading in the middle. There's nothing that I can do on oil, so we move. So guys, this is just my trade idea. This is what I'll be looking for. This is what we'll be anticipating, right? You guys know it, that price does respect our setups, price doesn't respect our setups. This is just an anticipation game and a probability game. But all I urge you guys to do is to prepare yourself this weekend for the coming month, or to enter the new week with a fire and a banger and a more financially positive and sustaining mindset, and they will give you all that you need. But without discipline, consistency, persistency, patience, and commitment, you ain't going nowhere in your training journey. Without further ado, people, this is your boy Harlem. That's all I got on this video. I'm out.